deep breath. Everything's fine. It's okay. It's alright.
Daddy, look.
Beautiful.
My favorite projects by far are the ones I build with my kids and use with my kids. Today we're setting up our old canoe to use an electric trolling motor so we can take it across the waterway and camp on an island for the weekend. Now, I know some people were going to say we could just clamp the motor to the side of the boat. The problem with that is it's really shallow in some of the marsh on the way to the island. I need the motor off to the side so it's clear of the hull. So here's our little build, and I'll catch up with you when it's done.
Sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon, side by side and through, no limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
There was a storm coming in and we were trying to beat the rain, so I didn't film the trip out to the island. The canoe did great though. We had picked up a cheap trolling motor at Walmart and it kept us zipping along the water at about 4 or 5 miles per hour, even loaded down with camping gear. I'll link the model down below just in case anyone's interested. The mount bar did exactly what I wanted to. It kept the prop out beside the boat so it didn't get caught in the marsh grass. The motor shaft is still way too tall. I'll deal with that later though. The main thing is that it got us out to the island and back. And if I have any advice from this build, that's it. Just throw something together and just get out there. It was such an amazing trip. Here's some footage. I hope you enjoy it as much as Kai enjoyed her day on the island.
The stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. How come the trees gets undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes, until winter comes. It really makes me wonder.